Hey tech enthusiasts! Today, we're looking at a must-have tool for electricians, dyers, and tech repair pros, the Multimeter's RM101 digital multimeter. Compact, accurate, and packed with features. Let's check it out. This portable multimeter delivers 6,000 counts for high measurement accuracy and comes with a clear backlit display for easy reading, even in low-light conditions. Measuring just 65 by 130 by 32 millimeters, it's small enough to carry anywhere, but powerful enough for serious electrical work. It supports auto-ranging and can measure DC voltage, up to 1000 V, AC voltage, up to 750 V, DC and AC current, up to 10 A, resistance, up to 60 megaohms, capacitance, up to 10,000 microfarads. Plus, you get frequency testing from 1 Hz to 10 MHz, and even a diode test function. The RM101 is perfect for both home and professional use. Whether you're repairing electronics, checking wiring, or testing batteries, this tool's accuracy and reliability make it a smart investment. And the best part? You can grab yours now for just $28.48. Click the link in the description below to buy and take your electrical testing to the next level. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews and gadget deals. See you in the next one.